Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful over-the-top 1970 Chevelle SS. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How you guys doing out there?
Good, man.
Yeah, I've owned the car probably around 13 years. Originally it was a 396 4-speed car, 12-bolt rear, and then I switched it over to, I basically redid the whole car. It's now a 540 big block, Dart Big M block, Dart 335 CNC heads, got a bullet cam in it. It's got a JE Pistons, 13-1, Ohio crank, is extreme rods and crankshaft. Edelbrock Manifold, it's got a 1050 Holly Dominator, runs on corn. It's got stainless steel exhaust, custom made from Cooks, straight out the back.
Collectors, right?
Yeah, collectors. It's got a 3800 stall in it. It's got a trans brake.
What kind of tranny?
It's got a turbo 400 manual valve body.
Cool.
It's got a big aluminum drive shaft in it. It's got a Moser Ford 9-inch with 411 gears with a spool in it because the car's too heavy for a true track.
So what spline are the Axils? 35?
35 spline. It's got Global West suspension, front and back.
Tubulars up front.
Tubulars, yeah, well, Global West is tubular.
Yep. And QA1s all the way around?
QA1s all the way around. It's got a Ron Davis radiator, twin fan.
It's a monster radiator.
Yeah,
aluminum.
monster radiator. Keeps it like ice. I don't know.
Drag radials on the back.
Drag radials on the back.
Nice
It's
and
got
sticky
Wilwood,
T-streets.
Wilwood 6-piston brakes in the front. It's got the, I believe they're single piston in the back, the Wilwoods.
Okay.
They might be 4-piston, I don't remember.
We'll check that out.
I couldn't, you know what I mean? I couldn't guarantee
What color is this, bro? I've never seen
this.
this.
From Mercedes. This car was painted in 2004. Crazy paint job.
It's beautiful.
It was originally from the 2004 Mercedes SL 600 Coupe, and I think the guy added something to the paint.
It's got a little bit of pearl.
Yeah, it's got pearl in it. And then I added the black stripes to it. Originally, it was just the whole car was painted this color.
Yeah, they're buried in clear. Yep.
Yeah, I just put on.
Almost looks like a Corvette Sunset Orange Pearl, a little different.
It's really cool color.
Really cool color.
Yeah, it's got a reverse pattern, so third is really first. You pull it back, and then I notched the tranny so you can just, all you gotta do is just tap it to bring it into second. Third, you gotta pick up on the handle, on the, on the button.
Cool, let's check under the hood. Damn,
Yeah.
it's a big boy right there, huh?
March pulleys. It's got a March power steering pump. It's got a 160 amp alternator in it. It's got the MSD 6AL. It's got the 2-step in it. It's got the Rev Limiter and the trans brake for your takeoff. These are the relays for the fan motors.
Big electric fans.
This is custom made. Problem is, it's just with this hood, it's not feasible to get an air cleaner on it. So I did this so a pebble can't, if a pebble, God forbid, it would stop a pebble. But there's no, basically if you put an air cleaner on, the motor can't breathe. There's just not enough hood clearance.
Yeah. So MSD ignition, MSD distributor.
That's Arrow. It's got a stain. Oh, that's another big thing it has in it because it runs on corn. It's got a 20-gallon stainless steel gas tank with an Arrow 1000 pump inside the tank, which you'd have to drop the tank down and pop it out, which was a big dollar item too.
Those custom headers too?
Yeah, custom headers. They were done by Cooks.
So they run out to...
They run 2 1/8, 2 1/4 into then they got a custom collector, and then they run 3.5 inch into the muffler, and then they come out with 3.5. They go over the rear end 3.5, and then 4-inch tips coming out the back. It's got a
Dart aluminum heads.
Those, Dart Pro 1 CNC 335s, Dart Big M block, as you can see right down there, Dart. And you can see the tubular suspension right here, Global.
Yeah, makes a big difference.
Yeah, it makes a big difference in the ride too. You know.
Yeah, these are big CSM fans too. They're like 30.
Oh no, this radiator is off the hook. This car goes up to 185 and will drop down to 168, 170. I mean, it's just because the radiator is just cooling it out.
Wow, killer.
And running on corn, you know, that's another thing. Motor runs cool. You know, corn helps versus race gas.
Well, yeah, it runs a lot cooler.
The Pistons in this thing are 13-1, and you're running on E85.
Yeah.
And you're paying $1.80 a gallon, you know, versus paying $10 a gallon for race fuel.
Showing 7,500 miles.
Yeah, well,
it's on the bill or it's over once. Yeah, who knows?
Go by that. I would say that, I'm going to be honest with you. I would say this motor is lucky if it has 1,200 miles on it. Lucky. You know, I have multiple cars, so I really didn't use it that much.
Fuel, water, oil, volts.
Yeah, everything's auto meter.
Is this line lock here?
That does both. So what happens is I have a rollover switch right here.
Yeah.
So when it's up, it's in trans brake. I mean in line lock, and then when you bring it down, push that down, it just becomes a line lock.
Oh, cool. Great.
I mean the trans brake.
Nice full back seat. Is it a mini tub or?
No. No mini tub.
Wow. You got a full back seat back there.
Yep. Full seat. No, this car's never been cut.
Yeah.
No
ET
cut.
Streets. You got P2 95, 65, 15s back here.
No, 15s.
Yeah, 15.
Oh, I thought you said 16.
No, these are nice and sticky. I had these on my Corvette.
Yeah, no, they work great. I run them at 15 pounds. Because other than that, you're just ice skating.
Yep. Let's fire this bad boy up.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does it do?
Best phone we got out of it was 1053 at 129. It only has 411 years in it.
Killer, bro.
So, yeah, that's it. You're hearing that big camshaft hooking in it.
Sounds good.
I believe the cam in it is 284 duration, about 718, 728 on the left. Solid roller, everything is roller. It's got Crowder rockets, it's got dart, what do you call the brackets that hold the valves together, the top,
Oh, yeah.
stud girl.
Yeah.
This is stud girl. You're looking at a 70 Chevelle. This car is an original SF396 car. I don't know if I said that already. It was a 4-speed car. Still has the attachment underneath there for the arm for the 4-speed. But when I put this motor in, it was just too fast for the 4-speed.
Yeah.
So I went with the automatic.
Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Goodbye.